clean and fresh air is vital for maintaining a healthy and comfortable living space. However, in today's world, indoor and outdoor air pollution can significantly impact the quality of the air we breathe. Whether you are dealing with allergens, pollutants, or simply want to enhance the air quality around you, this comprehensive guide will provide you with a step-by-step approach to purifying the air effectively. In this 10-step guide, we will explore various methods and techniques to eliminate airborne pollutants and create a cleaner and more breathable environment. From identifying pollution sources and increasing ventilation to incorporating natural air filters and utilizing air purifiers. Each step is designed to improve air quality and promote overall well-being. Understanding the sources of air pollution, both indoors and outdoors, is crucial in taking appropriate action. By identifying potential pollutants such as dust, smoke, pet dander, or chemical fumes, you can target specific areas for improvement. Additionally, increasing ventilation by opening windows and doors allows fresh air to circulate and helps reduce indoor pollutants. Incorporating indoor plants known for their air purifying properties is another effective method. These natural air filters can absorb harmful toxins and release oxygen, creating a healthier living environment. Regular cleaning and maintaining cleanliness also play a significant role in reducing dust, allergens, and other particles that contribute to poor air quality. To further enhance air purification, the installation of air purifiers equipped with HEPA filters can capture and trap airborne particles effectively. These devices work to remove allergens, dust, and smoke from the air, providing cleaner and fresher surroundings. Controlling humidity levels is another important aspect of air purification. Proper humidity helps prevent the growth of mold and mildew, which can negatively impact air quality. Using dehumidifiers in damp areas or humidifiers in dry environments helps maintain an optimal balance. Avoiding chemical air fresheners that contain artificial fragrances and VOCs is also essential. Opting for natural alternatives like essential oil diffusers or fresh flowers can improve the scent of the air without introducing harmful chemicals. Lastly, it is important to ensure the safety of your living space by testing for radon and carbon monoxide, as these gases can pose serious health risks. Installing detectors or seeking professional assistance ensures a safe and healthy indoor environment. By following these 10 steps, you can significantly improve the air quality in your surroundings, promoting a healthier and more comfortable lifestyle. Breathing in clean and fresh air not only benefits your respiratory health but also enhances overall well-being and creates a more pleasant living environment for you and your loved ones. So, let's begin the journey to purify the air and unlock the many benefits of clean and fresh breathing air. Step 1. Identify pollution sources. Identify the potential sources of air pollution in your surroundings. These may include indoor factors like dust, smoke, pet dander, or chemical fumes, as well as outdoor factors like industrial emissions or pollen. Step 2. Increase ventilation. Open windows and doors to promote natural ventilation. Improved airflow helps in reducing indoor pollutants and allows fresh air to circulate. Step 3. Use natural air filters. Incorporate indoor plants known for their air purifying properties. Plants such as snake plants, peace lilies, and spider plants can absorb harmful airborne toxins and release oxygen. Step 4. Regular cleaning. Regularly clean your living space to minimize dust and other particles. Vacuum carpets, sweep floors, dust surfaces, and change beddings frequently to reduce the presence of allergens. Step 5. Eliminate indoor smoking. If smoking is present, establish a smoke-free environment. Smoking indoors releases harmful chemicals into the air and significantly affects air quality. Encourage smokers to do so outside or quit altogether. Step 6. Install air purifiers. Consider using air purifiers equipped with high-efficiency particulate air (HEPA) filters. These devices capture and trap airborne particles, including allergens, dust, and smoke, providing cleaner air in the room. Step 7. Control humidity levels. Maintain appropriate humidity levels in your space to prevent the growth of mold and mildew, which can negatively impact air quality. Use dehumidifiers in damp areas or humidifiers in dry environments. As needed. Step 8. Keep clean air ducts and filters. Regularly clean and replace air filters in your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) systems. Clogged filters can reduce the efficiency of air circulation and contribute to poor air quality. Step 9. Avoid chemical air fresheners. Minimize the use of chemical air fresheners, as they often contain artificial fragrances and volatile organic compounds (VOCs) that can contribute to indoor air pollution. Opt for natural alternatives like essential oil diffusers or fresh flowers. Step 10. Test for radon and carbon monoxide. Consider conducting tests for radon and carbon monoxide levels in your home. These odorless gases can be hazardous to health. Install detectors or contact professionals to ensure a safe living environment. The following 10 steps will guide you through ways you could avoid toxic air in the first place. Step 1. Stay informed. Stay updated on air quality reports in your area. Check local news sources, weather apps, or government websites for information on air pollution levels and take necessary precautions when pollution levels are high. Step 2. Limit outdoor activities during high pollution periods. If air quality is poor, try to minimize your time spent outdoors, especially during peak pollution times. Plan your outdoor activities for times when pollution levels are lower, such as early mornings or evenings. Step 3. Create a clean entryway. Create an entryway system to prevent outdoor pollutants from entering your home. Place doormats both inside and outside your entrance to trap dirt, dust, and pollutants from shoes. Encourage family members and guests to remove their shoes before entering the living areas. Step 4. Proper ventilation. Ensure proper ventilation in your home to improve air circulation and reduce indoor pollutants. Open windows when outdoor air quality is good, use exhaust fans in kitchens and bathrooms, and consider installing ventilation systems to expel stale air and bring in fresh air. Step 5. Avoid smoking indoors. Strictly prohibit smoking inside your home or any enclosed spaces. Cigarette smoke contains numerous harmful chemicals that significantly degrade indoor air quality. Step 6. Be mindful of household products. Choose household products such as cleaning agents, paints, and solvents that have low levels of volatile organic compounds, VOCs. VOCs can contribute to indoor air pollution. Look for eco-friendly and non-toxic alternatives. Step 7. Maintain a clean living environment. Regularly clean your home to remove dust, pet dander, and other allergens that can accumulate over time. Dust surfaces, vacuum carpets and upholstery, and mop floors regularly to reduce the buildup of indoor pollutants. Step 8. Properly ventilate cooking areas. When cooking, use exhaust fans or open windows to prevent the buildup of smoke, cooking fumes, and other pollutants. Proper ventilation in the kitchen helps remove airborne particles and odors. Step 9. Test and monitor radon levels. Radon is a radioactive gas that can seep into homes through cracks in the foundation. Consider conducting radon tests to ensure your living space is free from this hazardous gas. Radon test kits are available for purchase, or you can hire a professional to conduct the testing. Step 10. Encourage green transportation. Reduce your contribution to outdoor air pollution by choosing eco-friendly transportation options. Consider walking, cycling, carpooling, or using public transportation whenever possible to minimize vehicle emissions. In conclusion, ensuring clean and pure air in our living spaces is crucial for our overall health and well-being. Throughout this comprehensive guide, we have explored 10 effective steps to purify the air and create a healthier environment for ourselves and our loved ones. By identifying pollution sources, increasing ventilation, and incorporating natural air filters, we can significantly reduce the presence of airborne pollutants. Regular cleaning, controlling humidity levels, and avoiding chemical air fresheners further contribute to improved air quality. The use of air purifiers equipped with HEPA filters offers an additional layer of filtration, capturing and trapping harmful particles from the air. By taking proactive measures and being mindful of potential pollutants, we can create a cleaner and fresher living environment. It is important to remember that purifying the air is an ongoing process. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning air ducts and filters, and monitoring humidity levels, ensures that the air remains clean and fresh over time. It is also crucial to stay informed about the latest developments in air purification technology and best practices to optimize our efforts. By purifying the air, we can reduce the risk of respiratory issues, allergies, and other health complications associated with poor air quality. Breathing in clean and fresh air has a positive impact on our physical health, mental well-being, and overall quality of life. As individuals, we have the power to make a difference in our immediate surroundings. By implementing the steps outlined in this guide, we can contribute to a healthier and more sustainable living environment, not only for ourselves but also for future generations. So, let's commit to purifying the air in our homes, offices, and public spaces. By prioritizing air quality and taking these essential steps, we can create spaces where clean and fresh air nourishes our bodies, rejuvenates our minds, and promotes a healthier and happier lifestyle.